everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making simple cocoa brownies. They're very easy to make and they only have a few ingredients. So I hope that you like this recipe. This is my first time trying it, so I hope we learn together. Let me know in the comments if you do end up trying it and what you think about it. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So without further ado, here we go. For this recipe, you will need 1 butter stick, half a cup unsweetened cocoa, 1 cup of sugar, more or less to taste, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, half a cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt. If you're using salted butter, then you can leave out. Okay, guys, so this is the finished product. I did use 2/3 of sugar instead of the whole cup of sugar, and they weren't that sweet, so next time I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar. If you're like me and you like things on the sweeter side, I suggest you use the whole cup of sugar. But other than that, they came out great and the kids loved it. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to share this real quick with you. While we were making the brownies, we ended up making choco bananas and chocolate covered strawberries. This is the chocolate that I used for this dessert. I found this at Jovi's. If you guys are here in Houston, you can go find it there. I don't know if they have a Jovi's in other states or other cities, but I found this there and it was only like $1.45. So I wanted to share with you because I figured that you might enjoy that as well. So yeah, go ahead and enjoy this recipe and I'll see you guys soon. Till next time. Bye bye.